sometimes happen. Maybe she didn't see the pole because it was short or hit something accidentally. Scratched, that's a hole, and some other scratch in pure plastic. It's not major, but definitely needs some love. Hi, my name is Farid, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we got this lady we need to fix and repaint the bumper and color match with the rest of the car. Stay tuned.
For the first step, I'm using a 2-inch sander with a 240 grit to smoothen the scratches part and feather out the edge around the damaged part. Next, I'm using a 6-inch sander with a 320 grit to smooth things out and prep the wider area for the filler. Melting or welding the polyurethane rod, the same material this bumper is made from, into the hole layer by layer until the fully filled. This process is not only seal the damage but also reinforce the area it won't crack later on. After applying a thin layer of plastic filler to smoothing out any low spot and get the shape just right, I go with the sanding block to level the area. This step is all about getting the repair section perfectly smooth and straight, so I blend seamlessly with the rest of the bumper. The shape is spot on. I switched to a 400 grit sanding sponge with the soft back pad to finish off the surface. This step is done by hand to gently remove any fine scratches left behind from the sanding block and orbital sander. It also helps smooth out the edge and prepare the area for primer, making sure everything feels silky smooth and ready for paint. With the surface fully sanded and smooth, clean the area thoroughly to remove any dust, oil or the residue. Then I tape around the repair zone with the masking tape, making sure to follow the panel lines and keep the clean edge. Finally, I cover the rest of the car with a plastic masking sheet to protect it from overspray. Now it's all set and ready for primer. The primer is fully cured and ready to go. Remask around the bumper to keep things clean and tight. Then start sanding the primer to prepare it for the paint. This step is about knocking down any texture, smoothing out the surface. Good prepare always shows in the final finish. After all sanding and surface preparation is done, I remove the old masking and remask everything with the fresh tape and plastic. This gives us clean edge and avoid any dust from the earlier stage. Now the bumper is fully prepared, perfectly masked and ready to lay down the paint. After all sanding and preparation, we apply 2 layers of the sealer, followed by 3 coats of the base, blending thinner, and a finish with the 2 layers of the clear coat. What's the result? Flawless finish, like a damage never ever happened. Thanks for watching us all the way through. We hope you enjoyed this video and repairing process. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if your car's ever damaged, no need to be worried. We are here to help you out. See you in next video.